you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to help improve performance and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help reduce the load on hardware and minimize stuttering. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the Quick Access menu, and close any apps that are not needed while gaming to free up system resources. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings for better performance. Go to Settings, then Performance, and set the power profile to Performance mode. This will prioritize performance over battery life, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Monitor temperature and clean hardware. Check the temperature of your Steam Deck while gaming. If it is overheating, it may throttle performance. Ensure that the vents are clean and unobstructed. If necessary, clean the device to improve airflow. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering on your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming experience.